Though your beginning was small, your later days will be very great. Job chapter 8, verses 7. Hello, family. So glad to have you back here on the Lovystouch channel. I hope you're doing well and you're taking very good care of yourself. Today, I share with you my special egg fried rice. It's a quick one and so delicious. So please come along and let's do this together. So here I have 1.5 cup cooked jasmine rice. You can also use any form of rice that you prefer. And I have 6 medium-sized eggs. I have a thump of fresh ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, and my Maggi shrimp powder and my vegetables. You can use any kind of vegetables that you prefer. I also have my dark soy sauce, Maggi seasoning, and some thick oyster sauce, and my salt, of course, and olive oil. So please find the exact quantity down below in the description box. And today I'll be hiring my chopper. Okay, girl is a bit tired of chopping all the vegetables every day, and of course these machines are here, so why not use them, right? Perfectly scrambled egg for our egg fried rice. This is exactly how it should be. You saw that hand that went in, right? It was very tempting, family. Right now that we have our eggs scrambled to perfection, we're going to set it aside and go ahead and stir fry our veggies. Not looking good already. Look at that. So good. So I'll go ahead and add the last but not the least ingredient, which is our scrambled eggs, and mix it very well together. So yes, we will not end this fried rice recipe without adding our spring onions. That's not here. We'll add a bit of spring onion to bring out that crunchiness. Yes, the spring onions bring out the perfect touch to our fried rice. Yes, it is so good. And we are done after mixing everything together, family. You just need to try this. This is a very quick one, especially when you have guests come over and you are so confused of what to do. Please make sure you make something like this for them and they will be very happy. It's less stressful, and of course it is just so delicious. Absolutely delicious, family. We paired it with our oven baked chicken thigh and it was just like, oh yes. So perfect dinner or lunch. And of course we had some potato salad to go with it, and it was just the perfect lunch, cozy one, okay, with no stress at all. Thank you so much, family, for watching. I hope you did enjoy this recipe, and if you did, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Like, comment, and share for others to also enjoy. And if this happens to be your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. I love to cheer you up in making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. And I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, subscribe, and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. I would like to say a big thank you once again for watching, and I will see you again in my next video. Just know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. See you.